How to post status on WhatsApp without losing quality Sonal television. First of all, let me tell you that whenever you upload any video or photo to your status, its quality gets reduced. Now, if you want to post a status without reducing its quality, you need to increase the quality of your video or image. Now, how do you do that? Let me show you. First, you need to open your Google Chrome application. After opening the application, you need to go here and search. If you have an image whose quality you want to enhance, you will search for this website here. If you have a video, then you will search for video quality enhancer here. From here, you need to open this website Cutout Pro. Here you can upload your image and increase its quality. After enhancing it, if you set it as your status, your picture will appear in high quality on your status and its pixels won't break apart. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you liked the video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to press the bell icon.